I love this page. This home is our happy place page. I used a couple of 6x6 fun sheets. Then all of the rest of these are 4x4s, and I didn't crop them at all. I built the page around our brag bit sheet. So all of these pieces come from that. Okay, usually we use the brag bits to make little 4x6 brag books, and I'll be sure to get some samples up to show you some of those. But look how quick this can come together. It's like a great big collage with no real rhyme or reason, but starting in the center and working out with these two and lining up the 4x4s and the 6x6s gives the page some balance, and then you work out from there, okay? Any type of pictures are gonna work. If you just have 2 photos, put them here. If you have a third, put it here. If you have a fourth, go here, and then if you need 5 and 6, and even if you had some smaller ones, you could move some of these pieces and tuck them in, okay? Super quick, super easy, no cropping. Lay out your pieces, don't glue them down, go get your photos, decide where they're gonna go, and then glue everything in place. Quick and easy, and I love our new home set. The home scrap bundle, these perfect pieces, I love how they coordinate with our brag bits, and I think it's just perfect. And God knows we've been taking enough pictures at home probably since we've been stuck here for a few months. So I hope this at least makes you have a fun way to showcase those photos. So this is the second layout from our home class featuring our at-home simple scraps. And on this one, I added the 2020 card from our decade cards. Because like I was saying, we've been stuck at home a lot. So 2020 and continuing the home theme, lots of pictures. If you haven't taken a ton of pictures while you've been stuck at home, you still have time because we're still not getting out as much as we were. But I added the 1 4x6 decade card, and then all of these prints are 4x4 fun sheets. So this is a page, you could save that white cardstock, save our perfect white for when you want a white background, and pull out your ugly paper. Okay, so ugly paper, put your photos down and then fill around them with these. Now, I put photo here on some of the mats so you could add extra pictures, but if you just have 5 and 4, if you just have 9 photos, don't put photos on the prints. If you have more, this could be 10, this could be 11, 12, 13, you have more than that, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this page shows how you could put 17 photos in one page and it still look great. 2020 is your title, and then we embellished with the 2-inch word circles left from the other page, and I took a half of one of each of the remaining 6x6s. So there were 4 of them that we cut in half, and I very carefully punched out 2-inch circles out of each of those. So if you have a 3x6, you can just fit, if you go edge to edge, you can get your circles punched out. But guess what? If you get the first 2 circles punched out right and you nick the edge of the third one, it's okay. All of these overlap, so you have a perfect place to hide it. So I'm not going to tell you how I know that. Just know that I do. All right, quick, easy, cute. I love pages like this. This entire class, you could get both of these done, including gathering your pictures, for probably 20 to 30 minutes.